guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel HTML with Adhya. In this video, we'll be learning about HTML forms. Now, the question arises, what do we do with forms in HTML? So, we need forms because if you want that people who are using your website to give you some feedback so that you can actually improve and then you can increase the number of your target audience. Whenever you make something, you have your target audience. So, what kind of people do you want your website to use? So if you want to increase those numbers, you really need to use HTML forms. So in this video, we're going to learn how to insert them in our HTML website. Okay, so an HTML form is used to collect user input. The user input is most often sent to a server for processing. So for this, we use the form element. Okay, so the HTML form element is used to create an HTML form for user input. Okay, so something like this. So form, and then whatever your form elements is, and then form tag close. Okay, so let's see an example over here. Let me zoom in first. I have my document type, my HTML, and then my body, and then I have my heading, which is HTML forms, right? Then my form action, which is action page.php. So you have to insert the link of the page wherein this will be taking place. Then label. So label will be your tag. And over here, the action for type is all attributes. They're all attributes. Okay. So in this case, we have our label, which is f name. F name is first name. So if you want your server, or sorry, your user to insert their first name, then you have to use this thing. And then you write the heading, like what you want your user to see as the heading, in between the starting tag and the closing tag, and then you end it with the closing tag, and then break tag so that you can insert extra space between the first line and the second line. Now after you put label for, you have to write label type. So because first is your heading, and then you want to give your user space to write, right? So that's why you need two things for one. So input type is, so input in this case is your um tag, and then type is your attribute. So input type equals to text because you have to insert text. And then id is first name, name is first name, and value is John. So we have already put some values to our form. And if you don't, if you want to, you first won't put it in real website, but to give you example, I have put it over here. And then you put break. Then the label for the last name, L name means last name, and then between the starting tag and the ending tag, you put the heading that you want your user to see. Okay, and then label tag close, and then break. And then input type text, id last name, name last name, value doy, a break, which is the break tag to give extra space. And then input type submit, because when you want your user to submit the form, you have to give them submit button. So usually people do it with JavaScript, but we can do it with HTML as well, which is if you put the input type equals to submit and value equals to submit, we'll get that. Okay, and then when I run this, let's see what I get. This is what I get. Okay, now if I click the submit button, wait, let me put this above for now so that you can see the text. Yes, so if you click the submit button, the form data will be sent to a page called slash action the underscore page.php. Okay, now let's suppose if I want to add a person's age, so let's try adding something by ourselves. So to confirm that, okay, whether it's right or wrong, whatever we're doing right now. So I've already framed it, and I'm gonna copy paste it. Okay. So I have done nothing, just that instead of these first name, text, blah blah, whatever I had to read, which is my age, I have put that into this place. So label for equals to age, and in between the starting tag and the ending tag, I've put age because that's what I want my users to see so that they can enter their age. And label input type is text, ID is age, name is age, and value is 12. So I've given an answer as well from my own, just for a testing whether it works or not. Okay, and then let's run it. So here you go. So yes, guys, this is how you add forms in your HTML browser, and it was quite easy. And probably in my next videos, we might learn about label and input tags. And as I talk about attributes, we do not need to really learn attributes because they're nothing but they just add to the meanings of tags. Just like we have adverbs in English adding on to the meaning of adjectives and other verbs like that, or nouns. Um, So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you understood what we learned in this video, and if you did, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with everyone, subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to comment down below in the comment section and tell me what you liked about this video and what video you like next. I would really love to read all of your comments. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.